Good morning everyone, it's Ibrahim and today we are going to witness the past, the present and the future of Dubai all in one place. If you are wondering how, then stay tuned, sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. So without further ado, let's get going! Welcome to Dubai Frame. This literally looks like a picture frame and it is the largest in the world. It is 150 meters tall and the stunning architecture blends both old and the new design elements. Okay guys, so here we're standing at the very center of Dubai and behind me this iconic building. Look how tall is it? It is sleek and modern, while being a symbol of Dubai's rich cultural heritage. That is incredible. Today we will be going to the sky deck right at the top. It is a 100 square meter bridge with a glass floor, so you can see Dubai from right under your feet. Let's first head to the past gallery and explore what Dubai was like before. It is so fascinating to follow the journey of Dubai from a small fishing village to the modern city it is now. There are so many models and interactive displays that show Dubai's rich cultural heritage. Its traditional Islamic architecture, handicraft and art. You can see how Dubai's economy evolved over time. The beer industry and also the discovery of oil that lead to new opportunities for the city. It is now time to head to the sky deck. There is a high-speed elevator taking us to the top that is 150 meters above the ground. So let's go. As I said earlier, the sky deck is 100 meters wide. It connects the frame's two towers and you get 360-degree panoramic views of Dubai. So basically the idea behind this building is to stand here in the middle and you can see the old Dubai on your left and the new Dubai on your right. Also you can walk on this glass and you have this view from the top. Look at that. On the new Dubai side, you can see the stunning skyline and landmark like the Burj Khalifa and the Emirates Towers. On the old Dubai side, we have the Dubai Creek. You can also see Dira and Sharjah near the horizon. This is the glass floor I was talking about. You will feel like you are walking over the city. That is so cool. Overall, this is the must-visit attraction for anyone looking to experience the beauty of Dubai from a new high. The final part of exploring the Dubai Frame is the Future Museum. Here you can get a glimpse into Dubai future. There are super cool virtual reality simulation and hologram displays. It's highlight Dubai's progress and goals for the next 50 years. That include tech advancement with robotic, artificial intelligence and plans for promoting renewable energy and reducing carbon footprints. Wow. This is how Dubai see the future from now till 2053. Dubai Frame is open all throughout the year from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Check the description to get your ticket and do not miss this stunning landmark on your next trip to Dubai. That was our video for today. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it, and if you are looking for incredible views and glimpses into Dubai's rich history, then Dubai Frame is the place to be. So, I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring the world with Headout. Peace!